Can't get a key. What? He wants it. She doesn't have fish, she wants birds though.
Yeah, she likes birds.
Feeding them. Must be babies. Or young. So they all open their mouths and the big one comes.
So your favorite YouTube video, Funny Face?